Okay, we're back here working on it. Where we left off, we were making the outer ring of the enclosure. Chop saw blade got a little small and I couldn't cut anymore, so we're going to finish off making this run here, weld the whole top section together, and then make the ring for the bottom. You see I started putting the little pieces on that it attaches to, so let's get after it. Okay, about ready to wrap up for today. This is the whole upper part of the enclosure. There's still some that goes down below. So as you can see, this thing's kind of gotten really big. But this is its final size. It's obviously going to be covered in sheet metal when we're done, but yeah. So that's where we're in today. Next week we'll make the stand and the lid. And then we'll finish doing some of the other fab stuff we have to do for like the air circulation and Z-axis mounts. Okay, we're going to end it right there. This video was basically the whole core of the machine getting attached to the outer enclosure. It's going to be its final size. The next video will be starting the stand and getting that going. So stay tuned. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Like the video and comment below. Let me know. I mean, I know these videos are kind of getting drawn out, and I mean, yeah, I could put less together, but then other people are like, oh, I'm going to build one of those and think that they can do it in a weekend. And I'm probably, to this point, I'm probably close to 100 hours. So stick with it. We're getting there. More of the fun stuff's going to be coming soon. So don't forget to subscribe. Also have more casting videos coming really soon. Got some cool ideas of things I want to cast. I think I'm going to recast the cannon coming up, and I think after that I'm going to make a subscriber bell. So every time we get new subscribers, I'll annoy everybody in the house and ring a bell for every subscriber we get for that week or however long between videos. So it should be fun. I will catch you all in the next one. Create your world. Have fun. Let's go.